Hey audiophiles, meet the HiFi RCA to ACA audio interconnect cable, your ticket to crystal clear, high-fidelity sound. This isn't just any cable, it's built for perfection. The conductor, 6N OCC copper with single crystal silver plating, ultra-low distortion for a signal so clean, you'll hear every detail. And those 24K gold-plated RCA connectors, they're not just pretty, they ensure maximum conductivity and durability with a pure copper shell. Plus, it's got multi-layer shielding, copper-plated, silver-braided, aluminum foil to block all noise and interference. The braided cotton outer sleeve adds a sleek, rugged finish that's built to last. With a heavy-duty 6mm diameter and 18 thickness, this cable delivers power and precision. At 5 feet long, it's perfect for setup. Whether you're spinning vinyl or streaming tracks, this cable ensures high-fidelity sound quality. Ready to elevate your sound? The HiFi RCA to ACA cable, where premium materials meet unmatched performance.